Real estate videographers, we're in trouble. Real estate videographers are in trouble, not because AI is suddenly making better videos than us, it's not, but because this property video was created using only listing photos I'd already taken. No gimbal, no drone video, no additional time on the property, and it's good enough that I'm actually offering it to clients. It might be creating one of the easiest add-ons I've ever offered. Today I'm partnering with Amplifiles AI to see how good AI video actually is, where it falls short, and is it actually gonna replace us? Should real estate videographers actually be worried? My name is Cole Connor and I was put here to do 3 things: create, inspire, love. Thanks for being here. Let's get into it. What's going on? My name is Cole Connor. I built 2 real estate photography businesses, one on the East Coast, one on the West, shot thousands of homes, and now I'm closing in on 2 million views teaching people like you how to do the same. Today, we're gonna test Amplifiles together. I'm gonna upload a couple of my own listings, see what it creates, and see if it's comparable to what I do on my A7S III. It says it can pull listings directly from Zillow, so I'm gonna start successfully fetched. I want to see what it looks like to go from the drone shot to the shot down there. You can do so many different animations. Camera movement, ambient, time lapse, time of day, start and end image. I want to do a speed ramp. So that's the start image of the drone. Add the end image, which will be this one. Just let's see what that looks like. So we're going to speed ramp to that and then a push in. And then let's do another speed ramp, but the end image will be inside the home. Speed ramp. No, I want this one to have the creative mode, which has actors. Specify the actors. Let's say I want this guy and this girl. Continue. Select image prompt. Multiple actors. So it helps you with the prompt. Time together by fire. Generate the image. Generate the image first, and then it's going to animate the image. That makes sense. Says it could take up to 1 minute. No big deal. Perfect. Literally chilling there. Boom. Okay, so use for animation. It's exactly what I wanted. I like how so you can go from horizontal to vertical to blank. What I don't like is when you import the photos, it looks like it's not super clear, but I'm curious when you actually do it if it'll get more clear. But we're also going to upload some of our own photos, so it's not going to be, you know, completely MLS photos. It's complete. Now we're going to press play. That's pretty good. It knew to go right in there. That's crazy. Wow. So you can reverse it, you can playback speed change it, and you can crop. So what if I just like it? Oh, you just export the video. Boom. Let's export it just to have. Okay, so we want to do 4K 1080p enhanced. That's what it costs. We'll just download the 1080 version. So I think the hardest part with this stuff is just waiting. It's hard for me to just wait for stuff. I have a hard time doing boring work, but if you didn't want to do it, you could just have someone else do it and have like an admin do it or a virtual assistant. But you could make whole videos with this. You just have to take the right pictures and do the right animations. Here's what you can also do with that, just so you know. You can generate a voiceover script, add captions, select background music, add different overlays like text. I mean, you could literally create all the text and add rectangles so you could probably see the text better. You can check out templates, or you can create your own templates so you don't have to create it all the time or create it every single video. You can upload logos and things like that. That's pretty cool. What's curious is like when you're doing a video shoot, you are trying to see how you can weave the story together, and you're kind of doing the same thing with this. So there's so many animations. You have rotate, push in, drone up. That's cool. Left, right, pull out, static. Really cool. Then we already looked at this. Flickering fireplace, declutter, water, that's cool. Time lapse, yes. Time of day, pretty much just change the time of day. Start and end image, aerial transition. That's probably what I should have done with the other one. So here we go. I mean, that's like, this is pretty sick. Super dope. I think this will also be really helpful just if you miss a shot or if there's like a specific type of thing you're looking for. Like, to get this perfect with the drone is actually kind of difficult. After getting my bearings with how Amplifiles works, I worked on a full listing video, and here are the results.
Welcome to this beautifully renovated 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in the heart of Santa Monica. Spanning nearly 1,400 square feet of modern living space, every detail has been thoughtfully updated for contemporary comfort. Experience the perfect blend of coastal style and urban convenience in one of Los Angeles' most desirable neighborhoods. Your dream lifestyle starts here.
I'm impressed. Is this gonna replace what I do as a cinematic luxury video? No. Is it a tool I can use for add-ons? Is it a tool I can use if I miss a certain shot? Yes. If you're building a personal brand around real estate filmmaking, this isn't gonna replace what you did. Nothing beats real camera movements, real lighting, drone shots, detail, sound design, or storytelling. Those things matter. But I also think a lot of people are looking at AI the wrong way when it comes to videography. The better question isn't, is AI replacing me? It's, how can this make what I do more valuable? How can I offer this in a way to my clients that's helpful for them? If you want 1,200 free credits to check it out for yourself, click the link in the description. When you click my link, it also helps my channel. So thank you. Let's say a client hires me to do photography. $300 shoot. But they don't want to spend another $400, $500, $600 on a social media reel or a luxury cinematic video. I think this creates something in the middle. Maybe I do this for a $100 add-on, $150 add-on, because it still takes time. You still have to craft the story, take the time, use the credits, so it's worth money. Instead of saying, do you want video? Now I can say, which type of video do you want? Let's say I photograph 200 homes a year. I just made a short talking about average order value. This could increase your average order value. If half the 200 homes want a $100 add-on, that's an additional $10K a year. It's not replacing my business, it's just adding another service. There are times where I miss shots or that the photo I take is just so good. The video is just not quite able to capture it. This is where you can take your best photos, you can implement them into a video you're already making, automatically make it vertical, automatically make it horizontal, add the movement, bada boom, bada bang. Companies like Amplifiles are trying to give us more tools so that we can create more services to help our clients. As I've been saying for like a year now, we just have to adapt, become knowledgeable, use the best tools that make us look good, make our clients feel like they're on top of their game, and help them get more clients. So no, I'm not stopping shooting real estate videos. The luxury cinematic market is there. I'm in Los Angeles. It's 100% there. I personally will always like the cinematic videos more, but what Amplifiles is doing is giving us more opportunities to make more money. And that's what it's about. Making more money, helping our clients succeed. Like I said, you can get 1,200 credits in the description. Click my link. I appreciate y'all checking out this video. What do you think? Do you like AI video? Do you not like AI video? What do you use? Have you used Amplifiles? What do you think? Let me know. My name is Cole. I'll catch you next time. Hi there. Thanks for watching. If you really liked it, maybe you'll like some of these too. While you decide, here's some music. Enjoy.